So I'm on my Google News feed on the 28th of August and I could not believe my eyes. This, oh my God. Honestly, I'm speechless. I'm so glad I got my hands on one because I think they're going to sell very quickly. I think they said they're only doing 400,000 and that's it in the world. So could be wrong. I really wanted to record this unboxing to capture it. I'm just so glad I was on my newsfeed on that day and I ordered it on that day. It was £99. Can you guess what it is? With free shipping as well from DHL. I hope the angle is okay. I'm not sure where I'm going to sit or whatever. I've never done one. Trying to set up this tripod, nightmare. But let's go with the flow. Wait, I don't even think I'll be able to upload the video like this. Oh, I don't know. Oh well, I'm new. It's first time. Let's do this. Oh, I just knocked it. Let me look. I think that's okay. How do we even open it? I hope this is on the camera. Maybe I can stand to see first. Oh, it is on the camera. Little handle. Comes with all these goodies. Really hoping this uploads on YouTube. It don't cut it too much. So Mattel actually teamed up with HMD mobile phones. I can't remember what it stands for. Human mobile device or something. Get these little stickers off. Wait, can it just come out that side? You probably can just see my head. Oh my God. Can you see that? I love the pink as well. Oh, can't even cope. Oh. Oh, the mirror, you might see the setup. Phone. Oh my God. So soft. Apparently it's a dual SIM. That's the phone. It's in like a little jewelry box. Comes with a couple of cases. Oh no, it's too cute. Oh, I didn't show them, did I? This obviously goes onto the phone. Whereabouts does it go? No. Oh, I'm not sure. Well, this is the phone. I don't know where it goes. Maybe in here? Oh, I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. It is a jewelry box. Oh my God. Or does that not come out? Let's just take it out. So we've got this charger. So it goes straight into a USB. Oh, they're the little charms. Let's put them out. Let's put that back in there actually. So you've got the charger. What is that? It's very heavy. Oh, if I open that one. Oh no, is that the battery? It is the battery. Oh my god, so cute. I don't want to touch anything. Don't want to break it. Oh, the little cloth. I think that's to wipe the front of the mirror or your screen. Little clean, clean, clean. I really hope this is showing on the camera because I can't see what you can see right now while I'm down here. Oh, we've got the quick guide. Got some gems. I've got the stickers. I'm not sure if I'll use these on the phone. Oh yeah, we've got the little charms. So the charms you can clip onto here. Got a rollerblade. Rollerblade, yeah, that's what it's called, isn't it? Oh, an ice cream. Oh my god, am I even doing it in the camera? Oh, little love heart. Sunglasses. Adorable. It's literally just arrived. I was too excited. I was like, I need to upload this, I need to share it straight away. But there it is. That is the new Barbie phone. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Put that back. And there you have it. The new Barbie HMD flip phone. I'm going to have so much fun with this.